Hey friends, if you wish to use dynamic lock to lock your computer automatically in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and make sure that your phone is connected. If not, then add your phone and connect to your phone. Okay. I have already connected it. Once this is done, you can go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select sign in options. And then you can go to dynamic lock, expand it, and make sure that this option is checked. This option may or may not be checked by default, but usually when you connect it to your phone, it is checked. So let's say this was not checked, you'll have to check it. Now when you check it, it will check for your paired phone and mention the phone here. Make sure that it's the correct phone. Now if you take your phone away from your laptop, it will automatically lock the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.